Hi friends, it's Product Review Wednesday. See us on Sundays for personal videos from Lynn and I about our retirement home in Ajijic, Jalisco, Mexico. My van build series with the red ProMaster van that I'm turning into a camper van. And of course our 40-foot diesel pusher Monaco Windsor that we travel in. We're going to Quartzsite soon. Please enjoy my stories or whatever else might be on my mind today. Doing a product review today. Kind of a story that goes with this one. A few months ago, I was sent this, and it's a mini blower. I use it to blow the sawdust and stuff out of my workshop, and I've used it instead of a broom in my van, and I've referred to it as van-sized. They sent me another one. It's not van-sized, it's a little bigger, it's more powerful. OGERY, O-G-E-R-Y, cordless leaf blower. It's a 21-volt blower. I'm not going to call it van-sized. It's a little bigger, and it looks like it's going to do the job. You get some parts and pieces with it. I'll put those together in a minute. They send you some earplugs because leaf blowers do make noise. Batteries. 2 batteries. And I'm going to assume that this is the charger for the batteries. Yes, the battery charger. And what else? OGERY, cordless leaf blower user manual. Let me put this together and we'll see how it works. I thought these 2 attachments would go together, but no, it's either or as far as I can figure out. Smaller orifice, faster air. The battery, press the little button here and it shows you 1 to 4 lights for the amount of charge. Came fully charged. My first time plugging this on here. And pulled the trigger. Yeah, that's working. What else we got here? Seems like there's a big light here on the side. Yeah, a big light, and it's bright. Oh, wait a minute here. There's more to it. There's light, dimmer light, red flashing, and off. Well, let's go find some leaves. Well, like I said, I'm not going to call this one van-sized, but according to the sound, it's going to blow some leaves. So let's go find some leaves. Well, the oak tree is always a reliable place to find some leaves. And sure enough, here we go. All right, first time with the new leaf blower. What else do you need to know about a leaf blower? Let's go try it on some rocks. We're always getting rocks on the walkway here. Oh, scared the kitty. I'm sorry. We're gonna use that. No, I'm not a green man from Mars. My motorhome has a green awning light. That's not what we're here to talk about. We played with this button before, and I didn't notice that it's got really bright headlights. Check this out. So I guess if you're gonna go leaf blowing in the dark, that's gonna work. Yeah. And then again, we'll lay this down so I can use my other hand. Another press, and it's a little dimmer. Another press, it's the strobe. Just like this one, if you do a long press, you get that really bright light that we were looking at in the daytime. And then another press, it's a little dimmer, but still very bright. And then the red, I guess if you're looking for night crawlers, they don't see red. And if you have a problem, maybe you get some attention with that one. And one more is off. So it's not just a leaf blower, it's a pretty hefty light. Links below in the video description if you need a cordless leaf blower. Thanks for being with me today. We'll see you on Sunday. Hey, if you like me, give me one of those thumbs up. And please subscribe and hit that little bell so you know when I post next. Please share me with your friends on social media. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed what was on my mind today.